Welcome to TMI Truck and Equipment, a Potomac Truck Group company located in Norfolk, Virginia. What we have today is a in-stock, ready-to-work Isuzu NPR-HD 14,500 GVW 16-foot box truck. This is a gas-powered V8 unit with a 8-speed automatic transmission. The body is 16 feet long, 85 inches tall, and 96 inches wide. It has 2 rows of E-track along with full plywood lining on the interior and a Delandia 2,500-pound 80-inch wide by 50-inch deep aluminum wedge tuckaway liftgate for long life and low operating cost. The rear of the body is also equipped with dock bumpers and LED lights for lower maintenance. The cab is a 3-person cab to give more room for your drivers. The exhaust system is protected by cat cages to reduce the chance of theft. The interior seats are covered with removable seat protectors. This truck is in stock in Norfolk, Virginia for immediate delivery. Give us a call at 757-547-7151.